Hey guys, me and Alex are back with another trying video, and this week we have an awesome box sent to us by Carl, one of our subscribers.
Yeah, we kind of thought you'd be bored of watching us try American candy by now, but
Obviously
people
not.
every video say try more American candy, and luckily Carl has come to the rescue with another American candy box.
Yeah, the boxes keep coming in, so thank you very much guys. We really appreciate when you send us a box. But this is awesome. I don't think I've seen any of these before when we've been to America, or anyone has ever recommended these before.
Well, what's awesome about when people send them to us is we could go and try find things, but we don't have the availability of all this selection.
I
It's so
believe
cool.
Carl is from Seattle.
Oh,
and
cool.
on this thing it says,
Sleepless in Seattle.
Carl, I absolutely love your writing. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, and I love the silver on black.
Silver
That's
on
a
the
nice
black.
touch.
So Carl says, Dear Kate and Alex, it will be very interesting to learn your ratings on this collection of sweet treats from the NW. So
Oh, the northwest, I think.
Oh,
he means.
northwest
So Seattle
corner.
must be northwest of.
Ah, I see.
What's
So
that say?
from the
Oh, the
northwest
little
corner
old
of
USA.
the little old USA. Best wishes, Carl. I just love your writing. That's amazing.
Yeah. So we've done general American candy, which are just like supermarket stuff,
Yeah.
Ralph stuff. Then we've done like East Coast, Northeast Coast. We've done Boston. I wonder if there's
And
things.
now-
Oh, and St. Louis.
And do you know what I find funny about this is he says it'd be interesting to learn your rating. So I'm wondering if he knows this is a bit out there and different to what we're used to. Because I'm seeing things I've never. Applets and cotlets. Like I'm really intrigued.
I haven't even had a look at this box.
I've had a look. So lovely packed.
Yeah.
Everything was individually wrapped in some tissue paper, but we wanted to get it out and take a photo. So should we try savoury first, as you always like
Yes.
to? These look really cool. These are made in the Great Pacific Northwest since 1986. So this is obviously from like where he's from.
They look quite authentic, don't they?
Make it loud, make it bold, make it local, make it Tim. So these are obviously quite local.
Yeah.
So these are potato chips. Extra thick and crunchy, that's what I like to hear. And this
Lightly
is original, lightly salted.
Right, should you crack them open?
Yep.
Mind if I do the honours?
No, you do the honours. That's actually our only savoury thing, I think. Oh, wow. They do look extra crunchy.
Yeah, do you know what's funny? There was also a comment. One person said in a video, I can't remember which one now, we shared a spoon. And they said, oh, I can't believe you shared a spoon. Where we're from, you don't share spoons. Everyone's country's customs are different. But me and
some
Kate.
people here in England won't share spoons.
But the thing is, I think it's different because we're brother and sister.
Yeah.
So we've been, hanging out together since we're however old, and I'm sure our mum and dad gave us stuff off the same
to
cutlery.
me,
and
sharing a straw and like a spoon with a sibling, I don't find that weird. But
well, we come from the same DNA anyway, so what's it matter?
it's in your DNA.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh wow.
That's so crunchy.
I did that and a bit just flew up my nose.
Was it this bit? Oh, I'll eat it.
Wow. Crunch
That's so
is
good.
a 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah, 10 for crunch. And the flavour is so
The
nice.
flavour's so nice. It says lightly salted. I agree. I think they are 11 out of 10.
I'm going to say 10. I'm not going to say 11.
Really?
They're
love
as
those.
good as any of the crisps I think we tried.
Really delicious.
Well done, Tim. Is it Tim? Tim's.
Now this is all pretty much sweet now, although I think some things are more savoury than others. Yeah, let's go one of the mountain bars. So we've got 2 mountain bars. Should we go both of them?
Yep.
Okay, so we got 2 of these. Brown and Haley, or Haley would you say?
Haley.
Haley.
What do you reckon?
I don't know. Haley. But it will always be
Haley.
like Haley. I
Maybe
love
because it's
the name
American,
Haley.
it's Haley.
So this is peanut butter mountain bar, and that one is
Vanilla mountain bar.
I reckon we should try vanilla first. These look like I don't know if they are, but they look like energy bars.
I was going to say the exact same thing. I wonder
Ooh.
if this is like a Cliff Bar. This is sugar, dry roasted peanuts, palm kernel oil,
You've got
cocoa
peanuts in
powder, whey powder, skim milk powder, sugar, corn syrup, soy lecithin.
Have you
it's an
got a
emulsifier.
description of it up on yours? Mine is a
Oh.
chocolatey mountain with crunchy peanuts and a creamy peanut butter centre.
Oh, this is where this one's different. A chocolatey mountain with crunchy peanuts and a creamy vanilla
Ooh.
centre. Oh, they're covered in chocolate though, so maybe they're not like
Ooh,
a Cliff Bar.
melted.
Maybe
It's
they're
really-
like a cross between like an energy bar and like a trail bar thing.
That's full on peanut butter in
That's
there.
full on vanilla.
Wow, it's like a cream though.
Oh, should we eat like that? Yeah.
Oh wow.
Like full on peanut butter in there.
Although, I feel like that one's so much bigger than this one. That peanut butter in there is delicious.
It's really good peanut butter.
You know-
And the thing is, I don't really like the chocolate. And you can really taste the chocolate in this one, whereas in the one I've got here, the peanut butter one, you can't taste the chocolate as much because it's so peanut buttery.
That vanilla is almost like in England, or actually when I was in Spain, they had quality streets there. Have you
really?
ever had like a quality street? It's a strawberry cream centre. It's like that. This is delicious, and that peanut butter was actually really nice. It's not a dry peanut butter like Reese's.
Yeah. I'm not going to get too crazy though. I think I'm going to give the vanilla one a 6. But I'm going to give the peanut butter one an 8.
I think I'll give the vanilla one an 8 and the peanut butter a 7.5.
Really?
I
It
actually
was
really
that
like
close?
I actually really like that peanut butter. Can I pick something next?
Yes, please do.
Okay, this sounds really interesting to me. Idaho spud. Shall I open it?
Yes, please do.
There's not really like a... Okay, this was not what I was expecting at all. It's covered in desiccated coconut.
Oh, wow.
And a chocolate cover, and then there's something inside which I can't tell what texture that is.
Yeah, there's like a chocolate shell with desiccated coconut covering something, isn't there?
What is it?
It's very soft.
I'm not a fan of desiccated coconut. Hold on, does it smell coffee-ish?
No. That's actually really good. I really like that actually. I'm not sure you will because of the coconut. I don't even...
I can't...
What is that centre?
flavour?
It doesn't have a lot of flavour, the
No,
centre.
just the coconut.
Mm.
I really wish I could try it without the coconut.
Well, that's what I was trying to do, but...
I like that filling,
Yeah.
texture. And if you are a coconut lover, you would love that. I just don't, for some reason, like desiccated coconut. Anyone else with me there?
I really like that because there's not... I don't think I've ever tried anything with that texture before.
No.
That's like really spongy in the middle with like a soft chocolate
That's
outside.
the thing, it's like a sponge. I don't even would say that was marshmallow.
Really?
Flavour-wise, I'm literally... What a marshmallow you'd get here. It's more like that marshmallow we got from another American candy
It's kind of
video.
marshmallow.
Yeah. Just because of that coconut, I'd say 6.
I think I might prefer it to the mountain bars.
Really?
I think it might be a 9.
I really like that mountain bar. But I can see, if you're a coconut fan, that would be amazing. That looks so
Well, this is
interesting, doesn't it?
It's like an almond rocker, or yeah, rocker, I guess. It's butter crunch toffee.
Oh really?
That sounds good,
I wasn't
doesn't it?
expecting that. Do you not think everything is like nutty?
And you get a lot of, in general in America, you seem to get a lot of peanut butter stuff, but not a lot of almond stuff.
No.
Maybe that's more, you know, to do with the
Like
Northwest.
where it's from as well. Because these have got
Oh look, they're individually wrapped.
oh,
That's
cool.
sweet.
Did you just get 2 in there?
No, 3.
These are cute. Very old style packaging,
Quite
isn't
traditional
it?
looking, yeah.
I like it though.
This has given me, I think partly to do with the name and the foil, has given me Ferrero Rocher
I was
kind of
just
vibes.
about to say Ferrero Rocher, and look, kind of is.
That's sweet, isn't it?
Oh wow, do you smell that?
Oh, right, hard. With chocolate
Texture, I mean.
and almond on the outside.
Oh my word.
It's so good.
That's delicious.
You know when you...
I was
This
not
is why you
expecting that.
shouldn't judge a book by its cover, because I looked in that and thought, that's really old school.
Yeah.
Is it going to be any good? It's quite traditional, isn't it? It's nutty. But actually, that's delicious.
It's probably like that because it doesn't need to change.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. And I'm glad I took a big bite.
I'm
'cause
not
I
going
watched...
10, I'm going 9.
What? I'll have that third one then.
You have that third one, because I'd rather have the crisps.
That's the thing. I saw someone on the comments, and I said this in a video before, but someone was like, when Kate doesn't like something, she takes the tiniest bite. She needs to get all the
When you
flavour. When I pre. Yeah, so with that, I didn't think I was going to like it, but I made sure I took a decent bite,
Yeah.
and I loved
Because
it.
people are watching. They're watching
People
you.
are watching.
They're watching you eat, you
Okay.
pervert.
Chukar cherries, milk and dark chocolate cherry quartet.
Oh, I think I'm going to like this. So I'm going
Really?
to take a massive bite.
Do you think?
What, cherries covered in chocolate?
Yeah, to me this doesn't sound great. So this is Pacific Northwest grown. In 1988, Chukar cherries was launched on the family orchard to transform local cherries into authentic regional specialities and gifts. Freshly made in the fruitlands of Eastern Washington, the best of nature, best of chocolate. Oh yeah, there are some dark ones.
Oh, it's a symphony in your mouth.
They look like Maltesers / minstrels. Let us know who is from Seattle or the Northwest of America. Have you ever tried any of these things?
Yeah, and are these available all over America?
Yeah,
or is it
I
only
just can't see that happening.
No, because some of these are milk and some of these are dark, aren't
Yeah, I'm
they?
surprised you didn't go for dark.
Well, it was just the first one I
wonder,
chose.
is this going to be like a real cherry or like
so.
a glacé cherry?
Yeah,
It
it's so
went in my
good.
mouth. It went all in.
Those
Even though I didn't
cherries,
think I like them.
those cherries taste great. I could say I'm a big
Do they
fan.
remind you of anything?
Yeah,
What?
chocolate covered raisins.
Yeah. I was going to say the patch.
Bob Frogs. I like those a lot.
And
I'm a big fan though of dried fruit covered in chocolate. I just
is that
love
fully dried though?
I didn't get to see. It tastes it and kind of feels it. There's just
Tastes like
something
it's
I
got
love
more
about
juice,
the
though.
sweetness and then the richness of the chocolate. What are you going to give those then?
I'll probably give them a 7.
I'm giving them a 10.
Oh. Cherry pie is a really big thing in America, isn't it? Whereas over here we don't really get it. And I would have always gone, oh no, for a piece of cherry pie.
Really?
Because I didn't think I used to like cherry, but now I really like cherry.
Cherry's great. Cherry is good.
That was really good.
It's like, it depends on the cherry though. Sometimes it can be quite artificial tasting. and
Should we
other
go
times-
one chocolate and then that and then finish on a chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Organic and fair trade salted black. Oh, licorice. Dark chocolate.
I was excited until I heard the word.
I know.
Doesn't ring any bells.
Okay.
I've never heard of anyone combining
Oh, cool.
chocolate and,
And
licorice. So I wonder, this is, oh, I can smell it already.
Do you want a whole piece?
No, half a piece.
Oh my word.
It smells so strong.
Dark chocolate is a no for me, let alone licorice. Oh, that's bitter. Bitter!
Actually, it's better than I thought it was going to be. But it seems strange because you've got like 3 things going on there. You've got dark chocolate, you've got salt, and you've got licorice. But what the licorice adds is like an aftertaste. You know, when you kind of breathe out over your palate.
I can still
It
taste it.
adds like a depth. It does add a
In
depth
some
of
ways,
flavour.
I don't think it's actually. I feel like the licorice adds something almost like salt and chocolate and orange and chocolate.
It's like when you're making a cake that's chocolate and you put coffee with it. It
Oh,
just
that's-
enhances the flavour.
I feel like that enhances the flavour, but I don't like dark chocolate, so it enhances it even more
Yeah.
for me, which I don't like.
So I was thinking that's going to be really terrible because I don't like licorice, although I love salted dark chocolate. But that
But did you
actually
enjoy it?
enhances it. It's really good. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10.
I'm gonna give that
So, there.
a 3.
A 3, is it that bad?
Okay, these
Yeah.
Liberty Orchards, Applets and cotlets. Apple,
Applets.
apricot and walnut candies from the Pacific Northwest.
They seem cool, don't they?
Sounds like a stage name. Does it
I
say
love-
where it's from?
I love how the photo as well looks like it's out of a 1970s cookbook.
Cookbook.
Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. Like a little Mr.
Little
Kipling.
tray, there's 4
Yeah.
of them.
I love that.
4 pieces.
Oh, it is like Turkish delight.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Cheers.
Different texture to Turkish delight, but it looks like Turkish delight. First bite, not so much. Second bite, I prefer it.
What's
Isn't that
nice in
mango?
there is you've got, it's a jelly, but you're getting a little bit of
A
crunch
little bit of crunch.
because of the walnuts. And that's actually really nice. I think I'm actually going to give that a 9.
I'm gonna give that 8.5.
I really like the fruitiness and the crunchiness of it.
That was delicious.
That's very
I feel like
delicious.
we might have needed to finish on that.
No, I don't think so. I think salted almond, well, you don't like dark
you.
chocolate. For me,
This is non-GMO project verified, USDA organic and fair for life. Almonds and a touch of salt, enriched dark chocolate, crunchy, sweet, irresistible. Oh wow, you
know.
can actually see the almonds.
the almonds.
Do you want to go for a big square this time?
Yeah, why not? Cheers.
Cheers. Nice crunch.
Very good crunch.
One day I'll hopefully like
Those
dark
almonds are
chocolate.
roasted, I think. They're quite.
Shall I explain what dark chocolate tastes like to me? I put
Yeah.
my tongue in my cocoa powder.
Really?
Yeah. Can you not? It tastes like cocoa powder. That's so like strong and bitter
Surely
to
that's
me.
what you want to taste when you're having chocolate.
No. For you, yeah. I can appreciate the crunch is really nice. And out of the dark chocolate I've tried, that is quite a nice dark chocolate. But every time I try dark chocolate, I just get that bitter aftertaste.
The chocolate is good, The almonds are really nice and roasted, giving like a rich
Yeah,
kind
they've
of
got really
warm
nice
flavour.
flavour, haven't they?
And then the saltiness brings out a little bit of
Oh yeah,
sweetness.
I can taste the salt.
So it kind of like balances out the roasted.
Because I think, I
Peanuts.
wonder if the almonds have been salted rather than the chocolate. It's salted almonds.
I think it's just all mixed together.
Not bad though. It's just dark chocolate for me is never a fave.
What did I give the other one? Can't remember.
You actually gave it like a 7, didn't you?
I think I'm going to give that an 8. I think I'd probably rather, strangely enough, I think I'd rather have that Idaho spud.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, do you know what goes great with chocolate?
Lightly salted Tim's crisps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crisps and chocolate are delicious.
Great box, Carl. Thank you.
Very good box.
And this is literally a lovely box.
Yeah, it's so nice. We've got the lid in the other room as well. So, Carl, thank you so much for sending that awesome box. It was so lovely to try completely different flavours from the Northwest. It was so nice to see what you've got.
Yeah.
I love all the packaging.
And it's great because the Northwest is an area we've never been to.
Never been.
We've been to some areas of America, but never there. So.
And also, you know, you don't ever see any of that sort of stuff on TV, you know, like if we watch American shows or anything. So it's really nice to see what's over there in the
I wonder
Northwest.
if you go, what are the specialities if you go to a restaurant in the Northwest? Let us know those kind of things as well.
Ooh, yeah.
Not just the sweets,
Savoury dishes.
savoury dishes, yeah.
And maybe like what's your dessert of choice out there. Did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it, did you?
I definitely enjoyed it. Thank you so much for sending us a box, Carl. It was absolutely delicious. To say thank you, we'll be sending you one of our British candy boxes.
And if any of you guys want to check out our British candy box, it's linked down in the description box just below there. And you can
go grab some British candy.
take a look.
Thank you very much for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
See ya.